Hi guys, welcome to Future Leaders Academy. Uh, in the previous class, we have discussed about the laws and how the light will be reflected and some characteristics of the light, speed of the light, and refractive index of the light in the different medium. So we have discussed, guys. So today's class, some important terms regarding the that light uh, rays when it falls on the mirrors and how it will be forming and what are the important rays, what we call them. Okay, that we have to understand. And today's class is very important because the terms are very important in this class. Okay, the 1 mark question, 1 mark MCQs will be asked on this base, and even they will be asking the tricky question on this base. Totally what I'm going to discuss today. Okay. So just don't skip the video. Watch video completely. Okay. Don't run it 10 second, 20 second, 15 second like this. Watch it continuously. I think you are understanding. ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತಿನೇನು ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ incident ray, reflected ray, and normal to the reflection and the incident all lie on the same plane. This all the things we have studied in the previous video. Okay, so this video we will study the different types of the mirrors. Those are spherical mirrors. Okay, in that mirror I'll tell you the types later on. So now, what are spherical mirrors? Just to understand what is spherical, what are spherical mirrors. Let me change the color. Hope it is good. I think you will understand. No. Yeah, I'll take a black color. Okay. So, a curved mirror formed by a slicing a hollow spherical sphere with a polished inner surface. Like this, you know what? Spherical. Consider this is a spherical. We will cut it. Okay, hollow means we will cut it half. Then this is what? The portion of this one. Okay, snake we call them that like that only. So this is the half hollow spherical, right? This surface or this surface. There are two different types of mirrors. Understanding? Yeah. So now relationship between the focus and radius of the curvature. Okay, this is the relation between the focus and the radius of the curvature. What is radius of curvature? What is focus point? Okay, what is focal length? Everything I will tell you. Don't worry, right? Yeah. Then focal length. Focal length F is equal to. Okay, focal length F is equal to. It can be written as a small f. Okay, F is equal to radius of the curvature by 2. Radius of the curvature by 2. This is nothing but we can write the formula, that is F is equal to R divided by 2. If radius of the curvature is given by, okay, radius of the curvature is given, okay, then we can calculate the focal length by dividing it by 2. Clear? Then now, curved mirrors. What are the curved mirrors? Listen. Any polished reflective surface with a curvature. Any polished surface or a polished reflective surface with a curvature. Okay. So now I know that very well. I know that is you all are not understanding what is curvature. You are all not understanding the what is spherical mirror. Okay. I am here to make you understand. Don't worry. Okay. Now, hope it is clear. That is any polished reflective surface with the curvature. This is called the curved mirror. Sure? Yeah. Then the next thing. Let me go ahead for that. Now the important terms. This class is a very short class. You will understand everything. Okay. Let me make you understand. And listen, important terms. What are the important terms? See. Yeah. Pole. What is pole? Midpoint of the spherical mirror. Pole is midpoint of the spherical mirror. I will draw. Everything I'll draw and show you. Just to note it down. What are the terms and what is the definition of that particular term. Okay. Then this is the midpoint of the spherical mirror. Yes. Then center of the curvature is nothing but the center of the original sphere. Center of the original sphere. I will make you understand. Don't worry. Radius of curvature. Distance from C to mirror. Curvature to mirror. Distance from curvature to mirror. C to mirror in the sense curvature to mirror. Okay. Then principal axis, line through P and C, line through a P and C, pole and the curvature. That is principal axis, where it passes. Line through means in the sense it will passes from the curvature and the principal, that is pole of the mirror. Okay, pole in the sense midpoint of the mirror. Yeah. Next, concave mirror. What is concave mirror? Concave mirror. This is the first type of the mirror, and this is second type of the mirror, that is convex mirror. Convex. Concave and convex are the two types of the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Another one mirror is plane mirror. Okay. See, concave mirror means reflecting surface bulged inwards. This is what? If it is a reflecting surface, this is a reflecting, it is curved, bulged inwards. Okay, bulged inwards. And if it is a convex mirror, reflecting surface bulged or a curved outwards. This is what the reflecting surface like this. Okay, understand? This is convex, concave, snaky, not a shaky, snaky. Okay, you can remember. Yeah. Now, this is the concave, convex. You can practice it. Okay. Now, what is focus? What is focus? Focus means what? Listen. Focus means that is the point where the parallel rays converge. Point where parallel rays converges. Okay. Then focal length. This I'll tell you. Focus point in the sense where the parallel rays converge means it will join like this. Join two lines where join there. Okay, that we will call a focus point. Then focal length. Distance between the pole and the focus point or a focus, this focus. From this to this is the focal length. Pole to the pole to the pole to the focus point is called the focal length. Okay, distance between that two points. Right? Yeah. Next, yeah, this is a time to tell you that what is exactly the term, how we will draw them, how we will draw them. 1 minute. Yeah, here it is there. I'll let you know later on. Just consider. mm, this is the one of the sphere. Array bapre. No. Yeah. 1 minute. Let me draw circle. Yeah, this is a circle. Consider this is a circle. Okay. This is the center point of the original center circle. Original circle. Consider the line is passing from the center. Okay. And it is traveling like this in a straight line. Okay. Straight line, that is called the, this line is called principal axis. Principal axis. Principal axis. So now it's a sphere. Okay, we have learned that that is a hollow spherical. Hollow spherical. Let me clear. Okay. See. Mm, sorry. Yeah. This is circle. Okay. Let me erase it. Is like sure. Oh, बाप रे. It is erasing everything by. ठीक है. No worry. Mm, sure. I will draw, guys. Listen. For example, this is the spherical where imaginary line it is, and remaining this portion is completely a sphere. Okay, half of this one, half of this is not a completely circle. So this is what the semicircle. This is the semicircle, and this portion is what painted like this. So can you tell me which kind of a mirror it is? Just comment in the comment section. Yes, I will only tell you that this is the curved inwards. I said that curved inwards in the sense which mirror it is? Concave mirror. Concave mirror. So midpoint of this mirror, midpoint of this mirror is called the pole P. Pole P. Center point of the mirror is called the center point of the original sphere is called the curvature. Okay. Curvature. Focus point, what is that? From here, this to this, that is middle point, that is called the focus point. and distance between the focus point to the pole from this to this is called f. Okay, yeah, this is focal length. Okay, then afterwards this is the principal axis, curvature, focus point, pole, and the focal length. Understand? Then here too, this pole, this is called, this is called r. R means radius of the curvature. And this point to this end is called totally diameter. That's d. Okay, that's d. Then r is equal to d by 2. R is equal to d by 2, right? Yes. So these are the some terms how we will form or how we will make in the mirrors to understand the image formation. Okay, now one thing I will tell you. Hmm, yes, see guys, for example, if the line is parallel enough, if the line is parallel to the principal axis, this is principal axis and this is parallel to that ray, then this must passes through the focus point. This must passes through the focus point. So this is the line is passing, right? This line is passing from the focus point. And if the line is passes, if the line is passes from the focus point only, then this line will be, this line will be parallel to the principal axis. Just understand the arrow mark where the lines are coming out. Okay. If it is parallel, passes through the focus point. If the line incident ray, this is what incident, this is what incident, and this is reflected. This is also reflected. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then passes to the focus point. Incident ray passes from the focus point, then it will parallel to the principal axis. Vice versa. Vice versa. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಗಳ ಗಂಡ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ. Next thing, yes, this is all about the mirror and nothing else left. Okay, if painted area is this one, then this surface will be acting as a convex mirror. Convex. And now, right now, this is what the concave mirror. Concave mirror. Is it clear? Clear? Yes. Next thing. Next thing is, yes. See, images I had given. Listen, guys. Now, reflective surface is inside. Here it is reflective surface. Okay, curved. How it is curved? Like this only. Like this only. Curved inwards. So light comes from the side. Okay, this side it is coming. Then it must pass through the focus point like this because it is parallel. This ray, this total ray is parallel to the this axis, principal axis, and must pass through the focus point. And this is also parallel to the principal axis, this axis. Then where it passes? Obviously, it passes through focus point. And where the image is forming, this is what the image formation. Image formation. Okay. So it meets convergent of light ray, where the two rays are converges at the point. That point is the image formation. Image formation. Okay. Yes. Same thing. Same thing. If this surface, outer surface, now this point, this portion is acting as a reflecting surface. Now, then this one will hit to the mirror. Okay, and curvature cannot be reverse of this one. Curvature will be, the spherical will be in this side only. So this is the curvature. This is the focus point, means behind the mirror. You have to imagine the rays in the convex mirrors. So this will passes from the focus point. Passes from the focus point. Okay, this ray also hit to the mirror, passes from the focus point. We cannot show this is what I'm drawing. These lines can be shown as a like this, like dot rays, as a imaginary rays. So how? We have to understand how it will diverge. You know, this is what converging at the point. So that's why this mirror is called the converging converging mirror. Converging mirror. Okay, converging mirror. This is called diverging mirror. Diverging mirror. Why diverging mirror means? This is an imaginary ray, so that opposite to this one only light ray will go like this. This is exactly the way how light ray will reflect back or a bounce back in the convex mirror. And whatever I have drawn this one, you must show this in the form of imaginary lines like this. Imaginary lines. Hope you are understanding, right? So this is all about the common class of the understanding spherical mirror. Okay, spherical mirrors, how it is and what it is. Convex mirror is called a diverging mirror. Concave mirror is called a converging mirror. Why means it converges the light red point and this will diverge the light rays. And image formation in the both the mirror at the focus point, but this is behind the mirror. This will be in front of the mirror. And nature, everything we will go through the some rules are there. In the next video, I will come with the rules and regulations of the mirrors where image formation takes place. Clear? Yeah, I think you guys have understood the class. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the class. Okay. Share the video, like the video. I'm planning to make a very short videos, like no need of any lengthy video. Only one topic I will take and clear about that topic, particular topic. Sure. And subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed the channel. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.